Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you one new feature we just added to ChatSilo Chrome extension. Okay, so the feature will allow you to export your contacts from within Facebook Messenger into Google Sheet, so you can add any information on the sheet and use it any way you like. So I'm going to start by coming over to this person. Let's say I tag this person as let me add a new contact like Groove. Okay, so I'm going to save the contact, and I'll be able to tag him as Groove. And then let's say I want to export his name, the tag, and also the link to his profile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the extension, and also then I'm going to look for Groove. As you can see right here, so you now have two options: export selected or export all. So if you want to export all, let's say we have like 10 or 50 or 100 people that have been tagged. So what you just need to do is to click on export all, and all of them will go into the spreadsheet. But in this case, this is the only person. You can select the person's name and then export selected. So, but before you do that, let's export this person into our Google Sheet. So I'm going to click on export selected, and then you'll be able to make a copy of the spreadsheet. So you can click on the spreadsheet, then you make a copy. This is the official one for everyone, so you need to make a copy of your own. We go to file and make a copy. So I'm going to rename it with whatever I want to name it. Let's say tagged contacts. Okay, so you click OK, then you copy the full URL of your spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm going to copy, then I'm going to go back to the extension. So I will look for Groove. So that setup is for the first time you are using it. Once you set it up, then you don't need to paste in any URL again. So the next thing to do is to verify. So you can see it's verified, and then you see the total number of contacts and the selected tag. So now you need to click on export. So then we wait. Tag users exported to Google Sheet. So if we check the Google Sheet, you can see the data is right there. So I will delete that, and then I'm going to do another one for a large number of contacts. So let's say we have let me see someone. Let's say we have let's say 300k groups updates. We have 36 contacts. So I'm going to export them all. So by clicking on export all, so you can see my Google Sheet is still intact. So export all. If you want to export more contacts, so you can just select the contact, you understand. Or if you don't want to do that, so now we want to export 36 contacts. So I'll click on export, and then once that is done, then the data will be added to the spreadsheet, and also we have the green confirmation at the top of this page. Tag users exported to Google Sheet. So I'm going to go right in, and then you see the 36 the contacts. Okay, so you see the contact tags, you see their name, their full name, the first name. If you want to check their profile, you can just click on the profile name, and then you'll be able to see that. Okay, thank you so much for watching.